Hello all, welcome to session 57 of CSharp.net training series. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate that object is a parent of all classes in C Sharp. So let's get started. So object is the parent of all the classes in C Sharp. In C Sharp, if you take any class for all the classes in C Sharp, it can be user defined classes or it can be a predefined classes. For all the classes in C Sharp, object is the parent. So what is the benefit we get? Okay, what is the benefit we get if object is a parent of all the classes in C Sharp? So the benefit, the important benefit that we get is we can assign anything to a variable which is of object type. Okay, I'll show you practically what I mean. So if you create a variable and declare the, okay, if you declare a variable with object type, okay, object some a is equal to. So to this particular variable, you can assign any value. It can be a integer value, it can be a decimal value. See, I can assign without any problem. I can assign a boolean value if I want. Okay, I can assign a character literal, single character literal. I can assign a string text. Okay, so I can assign a string text. Say I'll give my name. Okay, I can also assign the string text in this format. New string of, okay, new, okay, or else new string of like this we can write Arun. Okay, so here dot to char array, convert that to character array, then you can, okay, like this. You say no matter whatever that is on the right side, on the left side this particular variable is declared with the, okay, object means on the right side you can put anything, right? You can assign all the type of values. Can be decimal values, you can integer values, character values, boolean values, string literals, and objects, any objects. You see, object of the string class you are assigning, object of the string builder you can do. Or if you want to assign a, you know, right, what you can array, let's say array, guys. Okay, new integer of 3. Okay, so 9 comma 5 comma 7, you can assign an array also. You see, array can also be assigned. So this is what is the benefit of, okay. So if object is the parent of all the classes in C Sharp, what is the benefit we get? We can assign anything to this variable which is declared with the object type. And in arrays, guys, especially in arrays, there is a one more facility available. So if I say new object array, if I say new object, okay, here put a curly brace, and here, guys, I can assign different type of multiple values to a single variable. Okay, array of values I'll store into this variable, but all these different values of this array can be of different type. For example, one of the element of the array will be 9, other can be 8.5. No problem. True, I can assign true. Okay, mix of, you see, this is an integer, this is decimal, this is boolean, this is character literal. Okay, so this is again boolean, this is string. I can assign different type of data to a single array variable. Okay. Generally, arrays will store multiple values of same type. But if you create an array of object type, then into that particular array, you can store different type of values. Okay. Different type of values. You see, integer values, decimal values, boolean values, character value literals, string literals, different type of values you can assign. That's the power of object, guys. Okay. So this how we can use object for our purpose. Okay, since object is a parent of all the class in C Sharp, it can we can assign any type of literals to these variables which are declared using the object. So hope, guys, you understood what is object and how this object being a parent of all the classes in C Sharp will benefit us. Okay, where we can assign different type of data to a variable. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover another C Sharp .NET topic for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.